started the video. And you need to introduce mommy, like here. So I'm gonna unbox my new fidget spinner, but last time it's already open. It's kind of hard though. So I spin it. Already unboxed it. It's already unboxed. So I spin it around, do some tricks, and then also hypnotize you when you do this and look at it. I will go use flip. And then you need to spin it like that, and then you can also do tricks with this and then do that. That's how you do some tricks also on your tricks. That's how you do some tricks. Oh yeah, I just tell me this and spin it so you cannot. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then you can also do that. But so, and that's it. Goodbye.